Sganga. I'm Italian. I'm assistant professor of law and management here at the business school. I love cooking. I love cooking and I love traveling. I work in the field of intellectual property in mostly copyright, patent, and the way how they stimulate and give incentive to innovation. I started studying intellectual property as an enemy of intellectual property. And I was very much fascinated about all this literature related to how much patents and copyrights were created to stimulate innovation, but were actually stifling it. I wanted to contribute to understanding how intellectual property could be used for all. Many times we used to look at the world map from a completely Western-centric perspective, and we fail to see that the main advantage of certain places is to be exactly in the middle. Now here we are exactly in the middle compared to the old and successful Western economies and the new emerging Eastern economies. Here we are at the crossroad and we are profiting from the experience from the West and the new innovation hubs and movements coming from the East. I am a lawyer and I was educated mostly in Europe. So in Italy and in Europe, so my education is a continental education. And you know that in continental education, the professor lectures and the students take notes. There is not so much interaction. The other part of my education, my graduate education, was in the States. I studied at Yale Law School for my master's degree. There I learned much more about the Socratic method, interaction, how much is fundamental in a graduate school to guide students in their learning process and not just to convey information. And my teaching style is exactly a mix of the two. So it's very interactive, and I do believe that the role of the instructor is just to lay the foundation. And then it's up to them, because what students bring in from their own experience is one of the most valuable part of our educational path here at the business school.